Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable friend requests on Mecha Break. So let's say for instance, if you'd like to receive friend requests, you can enable that. Or if you'd like to block incoming friend requests, you can also do that on the game. So all you have to do is launch Mecha Break on your PC and on console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select menu at the bottom right corner, or you can press the designated button on your controller or your keyboard, and then select settings from the options that appear. Now from here, all you have to do is select privacy, and then within the privacy options, you should find the friend request section or option, sorry. So you should see enables receiving friend requests from other players. So if you'd like to receive friend requests, all you have to do is ensure that this option is set to on. But if you'd like to block any incoming friend request, you can simply select it to off by using these arrows. So set it to off, and that will block any incoming friend request. Now once you're done, you can simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.